Did that work?
Right,
No.
it's recording right now.
Okay, let's start again with the hi guys.
Hi guys!
We're gonna be doing our February favorites. It's a little late, better late than never. And yeah, we're gonna get started. You can go first.
Okay, so the first thing I have is my L'Oreal True... Oh, it's blurry.
This is the best.
Sorry. The first thing I have is my L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's warm sun beige.
I have these kind of go 2 in 1. This has been my foundation for days now, and it's the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and Powder Foundation, and they're both in medium neutral.
The next thing I have is my Stay Matte Rimmel. This is in Sandstorm.
I should have started with this, but my primer has been the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, and I love this because it kind of blurs my pores and keeps me matte.
The next thing I have is my e.l.f. HD Blush. This is in Diva. It's really pigmented.
Next thing is my Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio Concealer. This is really good. It really covers. It's really full coverage and it brightens, so I really like it.
The next thing I have is my concealer as well. It's my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in 25 medium.
I have my brow products. I've been loving this IT Cosmetics Brow Power Waterproof Perfector, and then I've been loving the NYX Eyebrow Gel. This is super pigmented and super waterproof.
The next thing I have is my Rimmel Gel Eyeliner. This is in black.
I have my MAC blush in Desert Rose. I just love it. It's matte and it's like a really pretty pink and it looks really cute.
The next thing I have is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I like it.
It's real good. The next thing is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette, and I've just been loving it because I've been trying to get into the whole contour thing, and I love these to set my concealer and then these to contour and bronze. I'm in love.
The next thing I have is lipstick, and it's this right here. And this is from, what is this from?
Maybelline.
It's from Maybelline, and it's in the color Fuchsia Flash. She's wearing it right now.
I'm wearing it right now. Oh, I need to go get my last favorite. Hold on. Give me a minute. Come here. Right here. Oh, I'm so excited. This is my last favorite. He's my puppy. His name is Buddy. He's the cutest dog. I'm in love and I love him, and he's been a favorite and I got him in February.
My last thing is another lip product. It's from NYX. It's a soft matte. Sorry, you guys, I'm sick. It's in Monte Carlo.
He's a very hyper dog. But I hope you guys enjoyed our February favorites. This is my biggest favorite. Oh! He bit my face! Before he kills me, we're just gonna end the video. We hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.